Okay, so we're gonna make a lettuce wrap. I have here 2 pounds of ground chicken. Then I have spring onions, water chestnuts, garlic, black pepper, ground black pepper, salt, olive oil, chili garlic sauce, pure sesame oil, hoisin sauce, rice vinegar, soy sauce of course, and ground ginger. Okay, so we have here our lettuce. I already washed it. There you go. Okay, we need to put our oil. Okay, so our oil is heat up now. We're gonna add our chicken. We're gonna add our onions. Ooh. Gonna add our hoisin sauce. Okay, add our soy sauce. Okay, so we're gonna add our rice wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon. Okay, we're gonna add our chili garlic sauce. 1 and 2. Next, we're gonna add our garlic. Okay, we're gonna add our garlic, our ginger. We're gonna add our ginger. We're gonna add our water chestnuts. And our spring onions. Add black pepper.